Part 1. The River's Beginning. The story begins with water. In Iloilo, rivers are not merely channels of flow. They are lifelines, carrying memory, sustenance, and song. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of the Tigum River, where dawn's first light touches the surface with a silver sheen. The air is cool, carrying the faint scent of earth and bamboo. Birds stir in the canopy, their calls rising like gentle bells. As you breathe, let the rhythm of the river steady your heart. Each ripple is a reminder. Life moves softly, endlessly. The water carries stories from the mountains to the sea, from ancestors to descendants, from silence to song. Chapter 2.